What's good, Instagram? Daniel Savage here. So I kind of want to just make a little motivational post here for the people, because some people are just so ignorant. Oh no, Daniel didn't buy his Lamborghinis through trading. No, I didn't. But if you really think about it, I did. Why? Because all my trading profits, I invested. I invest every dollar that goes in my bank account. I don't like letting money sit in my account. It doesn't do nothing for me. It doesn't do nothing for me. It doesn't. I invest everything that I make so I can keep making more and more and more and more and more. I have more than 6-7 streams of income right now. I'm at 23 years old. I'm 23, so at the end of the day, it doesn't matter if I got my Lamborghinis by trading. It doesn't matter. You know what really matters is I got them. I got them. And that's why people are so ignorant, because people think you need to get everything through trading because you trade. No, man. No, man. It's generational wealth, man. Passive income, man. Keep investing.